Good morning, class 2 students. I'm your science teacher, Miss Farah. How are you all? Okay, as you know that we have read about Unit 1, human body. It has been completed now, your Unit 1. And we have learned about skin, brain, some body parts like brain. Have you complete understanding about brain or skin? Means the feeling of touch, or you can feel something soft or rough or hot or cold. Okay, on this. And brain is your major, means our every action depends on the order of our brain. We have learned about the brain, means it gives signals or order to all the body parts and they do the performance or do their action. Okay, heart, the major function to pumps the blood to all parts of body. Lungs fill up with air and we breathe through lungs, and we have 2 lungs. What we have learned? 2 lungs. Okay, stomach, it stores food temporarily. After getting the signal from the brain, it produces juices and break down the food. Stomach. Okay, we have done the concept map as well. All the questions. Okay. I have given you some tasks. Match the name of the organ to its picture. Do you remember? And this project, make different internal organs with the help of Play-Doh. It's a very interesting project. Have you done? I hope you have done. Okay, today we'll start Unit 2, Kinds of Animals. Kinds of Animals. Have a look on a picture. How many animals are there? Can you count? Can you name? Or can you give me the idea about their living style or their houses? Okay, the first one is elephant, polar bear, zebra, bear, monkey, butterfly, little butterfly over here. How beautiful. Zebra, tiger, lion, dog. All these animals are there in the picture. You can see. Okay, one by one we will learn about these animals. Some animals are there. Have a look over here. Unit number 2, kinds of animals. Okay, different kinds of animals are there on our earth. First one is animals in air, mean birds. Animals that live in air, birds, as well as they live on earth. Number 2, land animals. Clear? Number 3 means these animals are only live on land, not in air. Number 3, water animals. These animals only live in water, not on land. Okay, number 4, land and water. Okay, in kinds of animals, first we will read about animals in air. Okay, there are some qualities that is present in animals in air. You can see the pictures clearly on your book. Crow, butterfly, eagle, and many more animals are there that live in air. You can see the picture of these. Crow, butterfly, eagle. Okay, what are the specialities in them to live in air as well as on land? Okay, animals which live on land, on tree or small plants. They live on land, on tree, or on small plants. Okay, but fly in air. They fly in air. On the other side, they fly with the help of wings. They fly with the help of wings. Can you see the sparrow? The most common bird which you can see easily in the sky, that is flying with the help of wings. Clear? We are dealing with the kinds of animals, and we have discussed that 4 kinds are there of animals. Animals in air, land animals, water animals, and land and water both. Means they live in both, on both sides, water as well as land. First we have done animals in air. Only these things are written for these. Many birds, many kinds of birds, butterflies and bees fly in the air with the help of wings. They fly with the help of wings. These 3 birds are mentioned on your book. You can see clearly. Okay, the next one is land animals. Land animals. You can see how beautiful the pictures of land animals. Polar bear, camel. 2 cute kids are sitting on the camel. They're riding. Rabbit, cow. These are the most common. Means polar bear is not commonly you can see, but these are the most common animals that you can see in their surroundings, like camel, rabbit, cow, dog, goat. These are all the land animals. Okay. What are their qualities? Many animals we see around us live on land. Clear? Okay. These animals live on the land, have body coverings according to their weather they live in. They have the body coverings, means their body structure is like this, means they live easily in that atmosphere or that surrounding or that type of weather where they are living. Clear? They have legs. They have legs. The second thing, okay, most land animals have legs to move. They have lungs to breathe. They have lungs to breathe. Clear? So we have done both animals in air or animals, land animals. They live on land. You can see clearly the picture, or by reading it will be clear to you. Okay, next topic is water animals. We have done air animals, means birds, or land animals. Now we are going to read water animals. Look at the picture. Starfish, how beautiful. Dolphins, jellyfish, octopus, and seahorse. You can see the pictures, very beautiful pictures over here on your book. Starfish, dolphins, jellyfish, octopus, and seahorse. Okay. Animals like fish, octopus, whale, shark, and many others live in water. They all live in water. And some qualities are there. They have gills to breathe. What are gills? Okay, I have a picture for you. These are the gills. They help to breathe for the fish. But only other fish, means whales and dolphins, they breathe through lungs. But the rest of the fish, they have the gills to breathe. They have. Okay. Next is fins to swim. They have gills to breathe, means we are talking about the fish. Okay, they have fins to swim. The next quality is they have fins to swim. And what are fins? Look at the picture. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are all the fins. These are all the fins. They help the fish to swim. Gills help fish to breathe and the fins help fish to swim. But except whales and dolphins, means these two fish, they breathe through lungs. You can see on the board, they breathe through lungs. Clear? Okay, you can see the structure, or means the appearance of the fish. When you made a fish by a pencil, means you draw a fish on the page, you draw these things. These all are the fins. Clear? As you see over here in their structure or their appearance is like this, means the fins or the gills are not properly, you can see. But on the other hand, dolphins, they don't breathe with the gills, they breathe with through lungs. Clear?